Hey guys, good afternoon. We are at IKEA in Pasay, Manila. This is, as you may already know, the largest IKEA in the world. IKEA is new to the Philippines. They opened up the last week in November, and the place is rocking. There's a lot of people here. IKEA very familiar to Americans. Been in the U.S. for, gosh, as long as I can remember. We've had one in Houston and in Dallas, but they've been all over the U.S. But they're a Swedish company, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, and they kind of fit well here in Manila simply because of all the high-rise condos, and the condos are small here and compact. And one of the things that IKEA is known for is their furniture is very versatile, very compact, but you get a lot of bang for your buck. In other words, they can turn one small area into a study, a bedroom, a living room, a dining room, a kitchen. Their stuff kind of works that way. But I will say about this IKEA, more so than others that I've been to, this one also has a lot for homes, which interests us because we're in the middle of building one. And there's a lot here. They have everything. This entire floor, by the way, there's 5 floors tall. They've got a full Swedish restaurant, a cafe, which by the way has incredible Americano. This floor here is all showrooms, and they break it up by area of the home: kitchen, living room, dining room, bedroom, laundry, children's furniture in bedrooms. They have lots of layouts, lots of design elements that you can look at. I think, as you're going to see in this video, not going to be a lot of talking, just some music and Jen walking through this whole floor. This floor has got a lot of stuff, and the thing is, there's more floors. The floor below us is a marketplace. That's where they sell all the individual items, like kitchen items and bedspreads and sheets and pillows and seat cushions and all kinds of stuff. They have a self-service furniture floor where you can go and actually pull the things off the shelf and take them with you. Of course, a lot of their stuff is design and build. They do have a design and build department here, and they did tell me last night, right now they're concentrating on kitchens, bathrooms, and bedrooms in their design build. So you can sit down with them. They'll help you design it as long as you've got measurements and have an idea of kind of what you want. And it's a great scenario. They'll deliver it, they'll install it, they'll put it together. It's a good deal. So enjoy the video. I think you're going to like it. You'll get a good idea of what. We're not going to go over pricing and things like that. You'll see some of that on tags as she's walking through, but we didn't want to waste your time with individual pricing on furniture and things. If you're interested in something you see, come and take a look at it for sure. So enjoy the show, and hopefully it's helpful to you. Have a great day.